MarkingMate OCX Library is a secondary development module designed for Industry 4.0 and automated manufacturing industries. With more than 1,150 built-in functions, MarkingMate OCX can help users construct application architecture compliant with industry characteristics, production process, and marking requirements, and at the same time integrate laser marking machines into the automated system. OCX Library can also integrate multiple marking mates, using laser controller and associated devices to control multiple laser marking machines, allowing users to mark objects from different positions and angles. OCX Library is compatible with all versions of Windows operating system and supports all Windows platform programming languages. As for automated system integration and planning, Eastern Logic Incorporated can provide customized service and technical support based on customers' needs. Eastern Logic Incorporated provides automated software plus hardware integration solutions so you can build an automated production process effortlessly.